Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Berry Avenue avatar dance. Whether you want to showing off in a party, filming a fun TikTok, or just vibing in game, this tutorial will show you how you can use the best dance moves in Berry Avenue. So here, I'm in the middle of a party invited by other users, and I'm going to do some dance. You can just click on this arrow and tap on this actions menu, and you'll see the dances option. So tap on dances. Now you can just choose the dance move that you want. Let's go with salsa dance, or maybe chicken dance, macarena. So you can just choose which one. I think I'm going to go with this wave dance. Okay, when you are done selecting the dance move, you can just close this, and that's it. So your avatar will now move just like this. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.